In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create tasks in GoodDay. Let's get started right from your GoodDay workspace. First, make sure you're logged in and looking at the main interface. On the left-hand side of your screen, you'll see a vertical menu. In that menu, look for the project management icon. This is usually represented by an icon related to projects or workspaces, and it's your entry point to all the projects you have access to. Go ahead and click on that project management icon. As soon as you do, GoodDay will open a list or grid of projects that you can work with. This view may look slightly different depending on how your organization has set things up, but the idea is the same. You're now looking at all the projects where you can create and manage tasks. Next, you'll want to select the specific project where you want to add a new task. Take a moment to find the correct project name. If you're unsure which project to choose, pick the one that matches the team, client, or initiative you're working on. Click on the project name to open it. This will take you into that project's workspace where you can see existing tasks, boards, or lists depending on your chosen view. Once you're inside the project, look for a button or link labeled New Task. This is usually located near the top of the screen or close to the task list area. Click on New Task to start creating your item. A task creation panel or pop-up will appear, giving you fields to fill in. The most important field is the task name. Click into the name field and type in a clear, descriptive title for your task. A good task name should quickly tell you and your team what needs to be done. For example, prepare monthly report or update homepage banner. Keep it short but specific so it's easy to recognize in your task list later. After you've typed in the task name and you're happy with it, the final step is to save your new task. Look for the Save button in the task creation panel and click on it. Once you hit save, your task will be added to the project and should appear in your task list or board view. That's all there is to it. Click the project management icon,